Okay, so we've got a FG Mark II, all keys lost, and we're doing the original keys with this one. We can't start this car unfortunately because the radiator it's all bunged up at the front, but what we can do is just try the remote, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, and what we can do is wait for the PATS light to go off. So that's the light in the corner right there. So once that goes off, we know that the car is actually programmed, and we're just going to wait for it to flash and try the other key. Wait for that to go off. So if you've got a Ford Falcon, the light has to go off. If it stays on or it's blinking or anything like that, the key's not programmed to the car. So this is a nice FG2, very nice for 2012, nearly 11 years old. It's really good. Alright, thanks for watching.